eradicating the deadly carrier of the bubonic plague. Mostly shooting the wood pile there. It's about 65 yards. There's some of the carnage there on the stump. That's who we're protecting, Jim and Jay.
That's pretty good, Jim and Jay. We should be in ghillie suit. Oh, Mike, he's on top of the wood pile.
Get him, get him.
I'm gonna have to shoot up here. Did I miss him?
No, he's hurting. He's in the wood pile.
I don't think I got a good clean shot on him. Did you get it on video though?
Yeah.